I got snakes. Next.
I'm Rick, and this
Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Turn down for your sanity.
this is the shack.
Everybody, welcome. Just a little insight, a little something else in my life. I have a couple of snakes. I didn't go out and buy them. They kind of fell into our lap. But it's time to clean them. So I'm just going to go through that. And if you have any suggestions or something, please let me know in the comments below. Because I definitely need to make bigger cages. And not so much for Betsy because of her condition, but more so for Bandit because she's all over everything. So, but I want to make two equal. And I think I want to keep glass, but I don't know if there's a controversy or not with glass, screen, or whatever. So any suggestions would be very thankful. So let me get busy cleaning. My snakes have shed, both of them. There's Bandit. She's a little feisty. Bandit came to us many years ago. Oh hell, we've had her how many years now? Dang. I think the first year we were here, we found her inside our bedroom. She was only maybe a foot and a half long. Somehow baby got in. Betsy came to us via my dog, caught her out in the yard. The back part of her, from there on, isn't doing too good. She lost mobility back there. She can't coil or nothing, so couldn't throw her out in the cold, let her die, so we adopted her. She's pretty docile. You can handle her easier. See how it's kind of bumped right there? My dog kind of broke her back, I think, about right there. So from there back, she can still move, but she can't coil. So she got full movement and all this. And she's really pretty calm. I guess she's thankful that we kept her alive. Yeah, I don't know. I put him in this because I'm going to clean her cage out real good. Every now and then, it's just time to wash the sides just with soap and water. Rinse it out real good. Put new bedding in. So let me get this stuff done and be right back when I get the new bedding. And they like to bury themselves once I do this, so I just put a whole bag of this bedding in. And they love it. Except Betsy can't burrow too much because, again, her back end doesn't work too well. So let me go get the bowl and her decorations and we get her back in. Keep the water down at this end so the sun doesn't come in and get out. I like to let them have their sun in the morning. And since she can't climb or do too much, she just has a couple things she can hide in. And that's about it. Yeah, I'll do that one and this one. That way she got something she can crawl through. All right. Come on, Betsy. Come here, girl. I always try to get her from the back and lift up gently. I don't want to tweak her back too much. There she goes. See, that's Betsy. See? Yeah. But if you hold her up here, I gotta be gentle. You see how her back is, so it's from here down. So I'm gentle with her. I don't want her to get hurt. And she knows we just let her do and do the best we can for her. There you go. There. And there she goes. She'll kick back for a while. And she's good. Let me get Spazoid here. She's a little more crazy. Yeah, see, she's already over there drinking. get them taken care of. And I'm gonna use this because she doesn't hurt, but my skin just ain't the same. So when she strikes at me, sometimes it'll bring blood. Yeah, she's a little mad. I know she's hungry. For having her as long as we have, from a baby, she just never really. Come on, come on. It's feeding time. Come on. There you go. Oh, come on. There you go. Shh. Calm down. Calm down. Shh. There she goes. See, she's lively. Yeah, she's lively. But she's getting healthier. She's kind of strange as far as eating sometimes. She doesn't. No. Come on. Shh. No, get down in there. Get down in there. No. There you go. No. There you go. If you guys got any suggestions as far as that, I need to make 2 cages that are the same, big enough for when, because she's almost fully grown. She's still got another foot or so, at least, I think, to grow. If you got any good suggestions as far as something I can build, the height, width, I want to keep glass. I don't know if I want anything else. Again, you guys let me know, because I'm not sure about the stuff. We just basically rescued her, and she was in the house. I figured she wanted to stay. So let me get this one cleaned up. We'll be right back. Yeah. Bandit's still a little irritated. What's you doing, girl? I don't know why you act like that for. How many years have I had you? And you still are just aggressive as can be. It's just your nature, huh? Yeah, she definitely needs a bigger cage, but she can coil up easier. Betsy can't, so Betsy gets the bigger cage. So I need to make something long. Not too tall for her because she can't go very high. But I'm going to keep the same dimensions, I guess. But Bandit will be a little taller, so I'm going to put some branches stuff so she can climb around stuff on. She's just that way. So Bandit, though, it's a hit and miss. I can try to feed her, she won't eat. Betsy will eat no matter what. So I always try to feed her first, then I'll feed her. So if I can feed her, I get another mouse out and get ready, and then the next day I'll feed Betsy. If Bandit won't take it, I feed Betsy, and I just give it another week and try again. Okay, let me get my stuff. Okay. The water for Betsy, or Bandit. I keep getting it backwards, I don't know why. So I put the water usually over here, and I like to keep everything together. So this actually is one I'll bury down a little bit. At least it gives her something to crawl into. And I'll just kind of keep this back there. And I'll get her water. I really like to get this thing up higher so it doesn't get any of the bedding in there. There. It's good enough. All right, girl. You can go back in. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. Shh. Calm down. Calm down. Ooh, look what I got. There you go. Yeah, you can go. Oh, there you go. Trying to burrow in already. Yeah. Unfortunately, the back of the screen here broke, so I got to have a clamp to hold it in there because I don't want her to get out. She actually got out once. We were fortunate to find her real quick. She didn't get very far. So there she is. Hi, girl. You good now? You got your little home back? Yeah. And then there's Betsy. There you go. Yeah, she's the one you can handle more. I just hate handling her because I just don't want to harm her anymore in the back there. So, oh, there she goes. She's getting her water now. She'll probably get a good drink and then burrow down and kick back for the evening. Well, they're both clean. They're getting ready to probably burrow here in a minute, bed down for the evening. So that is it for this video. Again, if you got any suggestions on something I can make, height, width, whatever, I have no idea about that for cages. I think I want to keep glass, but I know other places I've seen, they have like a screen or something on there, so I'm not sure. Any comments would be thoroughly appreciated. That's it in this video, another little insight. This is something else that I have. Again, we didn't purchase them. They came to us. Thank you for watching. Be blessed. Take back check. Build it for your sanity. We will see you next video.